Today we're making easy Thai style beef skewers with homemade peanut sauce. We'll start by tenderizing the beef, so sprinkle your sirloin with baking soda and a splash of water. Mix this into the meat and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, mix together all of the ingredients for the marinade. Rinse off the beef with cold water, then pat dry. Pour your marinade over the beef and refrigerate for at least 6 hours, but preferably overnight for maximum flavor. Next, we'll make the peanut sauce by combining peanut butter, coconut milk, maple syrup, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, lime juice, and chili flakes. Give this a good mix to ensure everything's nice and smooth, then set this aside. Now when you're ready to cook, layer the beef onto your skewers. I like to do 6 to 8 pieces per skewer. Next, heat up your Char-Broil 3-burner gas grill to about 450 degrees. Drizzle the skewers with a little bit of oil, then grill these for about 5 to 8 minutes per side or until it reaches your desired temperature. My recommendation is to cook these on the more medium well side. Once the beef skewers have a beautiful char, garnish them with cilantro, lime, and Thai chilies. Serve these alongside that perfectly balanced peanut sauce, and now these delicious Thai-style beef skewers are ready to enjoy.